The man was urinating when he noticed a rock in the distance shimmering with light. Curious, he walked over to take a closer look. After brushing away the dirt with his hand, he suddenly realized this might be gold. He took out his lighter. If gold turns black when heated, it means it's fake. Seeing that the metal remained unchanged, he confirmed it was real gold. He and his companion quickly grabbed shovels, trying to dig out the entire gold block. But after digging for half a day, they still couldn't reach the bottom. It was practically a small gold mountain. They tried lifting it with their hands, but it wouldn't budge. Then, they attempted to pull it with their pickup truck, but the rope snapped. As nightfall approached, they built a fire and danced around it in excitement, dreaming of the fortune they would soon have. But how could they get the gold out? His companion suggested that one of them should go find an excavator, while the other stayed behind to guard the gold. However, the nearest town was a 5-day round trip, which meant the one staying behind had to survive alone in the desert for 5 days. In the end, the man decided to stay and guard the gold. After all, he was the one who discovered it, and he refused to leave it for even a moment. Seeing the determination in his eyes, his companion reluctantly agreed. Early the next morning, they divided up food and water. His companion, using the excuse of needing to cool the car engine, took more than half of the water supply. Before leaving, he tossed the man a satellite phone, saying that for the next 5 days, this would be their only means of communication. After his companion left, the man first covered the gold with sand, then used a tarp to build a simple shade. Feeling satisfied, he lay down to rest. But what he didn't know was that agreeing to let him stay was actually part of his companion's plan.